Hi guys, you welcome back to my channel guys. Compliment of the season. Merry Christmas to you all guys. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is staying safe. So guys, today I will be taking you to where I buy my African food stuff from. My African food stuff like fresh vegetables, dry fish. So guys, come with me as I take you to Essen. Essen is a city in Deutschland. That is where I buy my food stuff from. So guys, we are in Essen already. This is Essen train station. Guys, Essen in Dutch means food. And here is where I'm buying my food stuff from. The city of food. It's funny, right? Yes, guys, it's funny. So this is Essen, guys.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll grow in number.
So guys, my city to this place is a bit far, but because she's always having fresh food stuff from Africa, I have to travel all the way from our city to this place. Our food stuff are always fresh. She gets load from Africa every weekend, guys. Every weekend. So see how fresh it is every weekend. So I can come here every time to buy my fresh vegetables. Yes, fish, all types of fresh fish. And also car tribe, guys. This is car tribe Shaki, all the way from Africa, guys. And guys, here is akeke, fermented cassava. If you don't know what akeke is, it's fermented cassava. So guys, this is pomo, car skin, African pomo, Naija pomo, precisely. You see that, guys, so big and so thick. This is pomo. And guys, this is banga. So I always get questions like, how how did you get banga? So this is where I buy my banga from, guys. This is banga, guys, and the banga is so fresh. It's fresh anytime I use it. It's so fresh. There's no difference at all. And the banga is from Africa, guys. It's from Africa. They just package them. I see, package them and send it here. Look at it. So if you are around Düsseldorf, if you are around Köln, Oberhausen, Mönchengladbach, Neuss, Essen, if you're around all this area, you can get here through train, guys. And this is palm oil. She introduced me to this palm oil, and the palm oil is very good. It's the product of Cameroon. It's very, very good, because the lady that has this shop is from Cameroon. So this is the palm oil I used, guys. And guys, everything in this shop, about 80% is from Africa, and they are so fresh, guys. They are so fresh. She has cassava, cocoyam, potato. This Africa cassava, Africa potato, cocoyam, coconut, fresh one, yam, everything. They are all from Africa. Look at granite and guguru. She have everything, guys. Every African food you can think of, she has them. And guys, here is fresh vegetables. This place is like a mini cold room. The vegetables are always fresh because it's a fridge. It's cold. And guys, she have all types of vegetable. She has water leaf. She have ugu. Garden egg. She has green leaf, okazi, fresh. She have all of them fresh. She even have this leaf we used to wrap moi moi. She have them also. There's no kind of fresh vegetable that this woman don't have. They have oha leaf also, and they are really fresh, guys. See that? If I want to cook vegetable soup, I just come here to buy fresh leaf, guys. So I don't miss home too much. Got fresh okra, guys. So fresh. The funniest thing is that if you are in this shop, there are a lot of fresh things that will make you want to cook every type of soup. So guys, this is fish, dry fish. She have dry catfish and dry tilapia. She also have bonga fish. She have a lot of dry fish, guys. And they smell really good, guys. It's not the type that has hot dog, guys. See? They're fresh. And guys, this is everything I got. This is everything I got, guys. So guys, I'm at home already and just trying to offload all the food stuff I bought. And guys, thank you so much for coming with me shopping. I appreciate your love and support. Merry Christmas once again. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.